If you want to change icon colors on OnePlus 15, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Next, in Settings, we can choose Home Screen, Lock Screen, and Style. And then in here, we can tap on the lock screen in order to then go to the home screen. Up here at the bottom, we can switch to icons. We can open the icons customization. And if you want to apply a color, we can choose the flux option. And as you can see, we can color them quite easily. We can also choose one of these colors that are made out of wallpaper colors. And so based on the wallpaper that you have, we can also switch to adapt system colors, and we can change system colors quite easily as well. Well, apparently not in this case. This can be due to the wallpaper that I have set up in here. But later on, if you can actually access the system colors, then we can choose this option in here, and we can choose different system colors to then also change colors for these app icons. And now, just to show you, we're going to apply these changes, and I'm going to show you how it looks like on the home screen. There we go. So this changes pretty much all icons that we have on our phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.